Hi everyone, Delise here for Kat Scrappiness. I am here to introduce three new single layer stencils: Snow Flurries, Buffalo Plaid, and Candy Cane. All three stencils are 6x6 and made here in the US. Let's start with the candy canes. It has candy canes going in every direction and little dots in between them. Then we have snow flurries. It's more like a snowstorm, and I love that one. And the buffalo plaid goes perfectly and coordinates with our buffalo plaid die cut. All three stencils are available right now. Here, I am demonstrating how to use the small Kat Scrappiness blending brush. These brushes are perfectly for these stencils because, like you can see, you can color individual candy canes with different colors, or you could use it to color the entire stencil, the entire 6x6. So I will be doing both of it. In this case, I am doing 1/4 of the 6x6 stencil with green, and the other quarter you will see me do a coordination of both green and yellow, because I will be showing you a little sneak peek of Merry Grinchmas, one of the new stamp sets for Kat Scrappiness. As you can see, I'm using again the Kat Scrappiness blending brushes, and again, super easy just to use them to color one individual candy cane. I am adding here the green ones, and then I'm going to move to the yellow ones. As you can see, you can color them. You could actually do more than two colors. I'm leaving it at two colors just for the simplicity, because I don't want to take away anything from the adorable Merry Grinchmas stamp set that I'm going to be using. Here is the look of both the solid one color stencil and the two color stencil. Let's give a close-up look. Here is the card I created using the Merry Grinchmas stamp set and the Candy Canes 6x6 stencil. The next stencil is Buffalo Plaid, and I will also be using the Kat Scrappiness blending brush for this. You could use it to individually color each of the squares, or you could use it to color the entire thing. So you can use it for different colors. I will be doing again the color combination of green and yellow to go with my Merry Grinchmas image set that we have here at Kat Scrappiness, a brand new release that coordinates perfectly with these stencils. One of the great things about this stencil, just like the die cut for the buffalo plaid, is that you can rotate this and create different looks for your paper. And also, since you can use your stencils for dry embossing on your die cut machine, you can also create the lines on top of the lines as crisscross, or you can do them so it embosses the little lines on top of the solid squares. And I will show you that I did do it so it's offset of the lines and the squares. And here I am coloring you, like again, the yellow and the green, and I'm doing the first line all in yellows and the second line in green, and then I'm purposely leaving the third line with a little bit of a blend of the green, so the third line is going to be more of like a blend between that lime green and that yellow. The best part of all these is the reveal. I love using stencils to then reveal and look what has come out of this blending of the colors. Here is with the dry embossing using my die cut machine. And here is a close-up look, like I offsetted them to make a different look. And here is the card using the 6x6 Buffalo Plaid and the Merry Grinchmas Kat Scrappiness stamp set. Our third and last single layer stencil is called Snow Flurries. Snow Flurries gives me the idea of a snowstorm. That snowstorms that starts very light at the top and suddenly it's accumulating at the bottom. Of course, you could use the stencil upside down and have the more heavier snow at the top. It's your decision. I did color them in green and then went over with the yellow to create a more lime green. Here is my card with the Merry Grinchmas stamp set and the Snow Flurries 6x6 stencil. Check out the store for more options on stencils and die cuts, and to look at the Kat Scrappiness Merry Grinchmas stamp set.